Section 4.3 RA1, we're given a data set A, data set B, data set C. They both have columns X and Y. For part A, it says for data set A in the table below, what is the standard deviation of Y? So we're looking for this column here. We want to find in data set A, we want to find what is the standard deviation for this set of data here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up in StatCrunch. So here's our data. We opened it up in StatCrunch. Okay, and again, we're looking at this column here. So we can call this, if we wanted to, we can put this and say this is data set A, just so that we can know that this is the data set that we're working with. We know that the second one is B. So if we want to, change the title to that, we can do that as well. And then keeping the variable so we know which ones those are. And then this is C. And all this does is just help us when we're actually, finding out what the summary stats are for the standard deviation. So let's go ahead and go to summary stats, and we're going to select columns. Okay, and so we want to go to data set A and look at the values of Y, and then we want to find the standard deviation. So if we compute the standard deviation, we should see that the number that's given to us is 4.18. So therefore, we can say that the standard deviation of Y, and we'll write this in data set A, is 4.18. Okay, now for the second part of the question, they want us to find, again, for data set A, which is the same column in the table below, or above here, it says, what is the variance of Y? So we can come back in here, okay, and so we can either go back again, or we can select options. So if we select options and just select edit, it'll bring us back to this, okay? So in addition to the standard deviation, we can hit the control button and then select variance, and then select compute. So there's the standard deviation for the first column, and there's the variance, and it's 17.488, and we're going to round that to 2 decimal places, so it's going to be 17.49. So therefore, we're then going to say that the variance of Y in data set A is 7.49.